Are you looking as woodworking grows in popularity among hobbyists and professionals? So does the need for high-quality dust protection. Fine sawdust and airborne particles can pose serious health risks, making dust masks and respirators essential gear. This guide reviews the best dust masks and respirators for woodworking, comparing filter performance, comfort, build quality, durability, and value. Whether you're carving in your garage or managing a full workshop, there's a reliable option here for you. List GVS SPR457 Ellipse P100 Dust Half Mask Respirator. The GVS SPR457 Ellipse P100 is a compact, lightweight respirator that offers top-tier filtration. With its P100 rating, it filters out 99.97% of airborne particles, making it ideal for woodworking environments full of fine sawdust. Its low-profile design enhances visibility and fits snugly under protective eyewear. The silicone face seal and adjustable headbands ensure comfort even during extended use. The included filters are both reusable and replaceable, saving on long-term costs. Its blue color and durable construction give it a professional look, and the medium/large size fits most users comfortably. Unlike bulkier models, this mask is easy to wear without feeling claustrophobic. It's a solid investment for serious woodworkers needing everyday protection. List number 3M Rugged Comfort Quick Latch Half Facepiece Respirator 6503QL. The 3M 6503QL is built for professionals who prioritize comfort, ease of use, and durability. Its standout feature is the quick latch mechanism, allowing users to drop the mask from their face without fully removing the head straps. Perfect for transitioning in and out of dusty zones quickly. The cool flow exhalation valve reduces heat buildup inside the mask, enhancing comfort during long sessions. Made with soft yet tough silicone, this respirator molds well to the face and resists wear. The bayonet-style connector supports a variety of 3M filters for gases, vapors, and dust. Though slightly larger than other models, it's extremely breathable and adjustable. List number Air Gear Pro G500 Reusable Respirator Mask with A1P2 Filters. The Air Gear Pro G500 is a reliable, all-in-one solution designed for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. It features A1P2 filters, protecting against both dust and organic gases, ideal for woodworking tasks involving varnishes or paints. The ergonomic design provides full face coverage without sacrificing comfort. Soft straps and a snug fit help keep it securely in place during movement. It's suitable for a range of projects, from sanding and spraying to chemical applications. The reusable mask is easy to clean, and filter replacement is straightforward. While not as compact as the GVS, it offers more versatility for those needing multi-purpose protection. List 4. Reusable half-face cover gas mask with safety glasses. This budget-friendly respirator kit includes both a half-face mask and a pair of safety glasses, making it a great starter bundle for woodworkers. It provides solid protection against dust, vapors, and fumes through replaceable dual filters. The adjustable straps ensure a customizable fit, and the soft silicone construction makes it wearable for hours. The included safety goggles are a nice touch, fitting well over the respirator for full face coverage. Though not branded, it performs admirably in DIY settings and is perfect for casual users or occasional woodworkers. The low cost does come with some trade-offs in long-term durability, but it's an excellent value package overall. List number 3M Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator 6200. The 3M 6200 is a dependable, mid-range respirator trusted by professionals across industries. Its medium size fits most users, and the 4-point harness ensures a secure and comfortable fit. The bayonet connection system allows easy swapping between 3M's range of cartridges and filters. Ideal for woodworking, it's lightweight and compatible with dual airline supplied air systems. The mask maintains a good seal even during movement, and users praise its breathability and long wear comfort. It lacks the quick latch feature found in the 6503QL, but delivers solid performance and great value.